Bonjour, troisième journée du road trip et je me suis levée tôt pour venir ici au parc national de Tongariro où je vais faire le fameux Alpine Crossing Tongariro, 20 km dans la montagne, ça va monter, ça va descendre, espérons que j'y arrive, on verra bien. Je suis arrivée. Voici les lacs, les fameux lacs. Alors je vais pas mentir, c'est très fatigant. Vraiment. Mais bon, ça se fait. C'est ça le Mordor? Ah, Mordor!
.1 K, so you've done 18, 19, 20, 21.1.
It's about 2 kilometers left. I've done about 19 because they tell you that the hike is 19 kilometers all the way, but actually it's 21 kilometers. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Okay, so I'm back in the car and back on the road. I'm going back to Taupo and finished the hike, and trust me, it was super hilly and then it was going downhill and the knees were suffering, etc. But I think anyone can do it if you take it at your own pace. If I've done it, anyone can do it. It's just exhausting now. I'm really tired. Can't wait to get back to my nice little house, have a really good shower, nice glass of wine. And tomorrow, the road trip continued, and I'm not going to tell you where I'm going. That's it. I'm going to go. So see you in the next video. Ciao.